I think he very much enjoys driving it. I'm Luke from LAP911. Used to work in the Porsche main dealer in the OPC network. Grew a passion for Porsches, and I want to offer my skills to like-minded people to repair and service their Porsches. We've been going for just under 3 years at the moment. So as things stand, we're looking to move into a new premises in January. So moving into a bigger workshop. Therefore we can cater for our customers' needs. Yeah, so we can do, like I say, air-cooled, water-cooled. We can do anything from services, oil changes, we can do engine rebuilds, we can do suspension overhauls, we can do suspension upgrades, going towards more track focus, suspension upgrades, brake setups, that kind of thing. So that Ken is having a new timing chain. So that's the guys on the timing chains have failed. So that's currently going through a new chain and guide set. And then the one to my left, that's also having some new coolant pipes, front and rear, which is engine out and to do the rear coolant pipes. So we've purchased every single part that we've fitted to that car. We've bought from Design 911. We've fitted dance exhaust system, full control arm refresh, and front suspension, Bilstein and Miele top mounts and bump stock kit. Yeah, Daryl and Josh mainly have been phenomenal, very supportive, helpful, and the level of knowledge is unparalleled to other parts suppliers that I deal with. All three of us are all ex-Porsche main dealer technicians. That was a key thing for me taking on both guys, was to ensure that they've got the same mentality and passion and moving forward, you know, keeping with the brand. Jimmy's got 2 Porsches himself, so he's definitely, you know, got a keen eye for it. He's got a 987 and a GT4. And then Chris as well, got a real passion for Porsches and just attention to detail. I think what's key for us is when we do have customers come in, new or old, existing, we're quite keen to all 3 of us have a conversation with the customer if they so desire. It's quite important to us to show them what we're about, come on in, have a look at the cars, look what we're up to. Quite an open workshop really, where we can just let people see what we get up to on a daily basis and just show them that we're a trustworthy place to come. So with the Boxster, the customer brought the car into us. He's not long had the car, just wanted a nice, affordable sports car. We gave the car a full check over, advised on what is required on his car. And to get it up to a really good standard, and he opted to have all of the work done, which was arguably the same cost as the vehicle. You know, cars, what, £4,500 to buy. We spent about £5,000 on it, but it's got the car up to a very, very good standard, like new, because all the suspension's been refreshed. Like I say, brand new exhaust. Still have the original exhaust on it. It's a 20-year-old car going, but you know, to do all of those items and to discuss that with the customer, he was all for it, because he then knows that he can just enjoy the car, and especially in the summer next year, he can just get in it, drive it and enjoy it. So when customers buy, at the moment we offer in-house pre-purchase inspections or post-purchase inspections. Obviously we can cater for different vehicles, obviously with certain 996s, 986s, 997s, we'd offer bore scope inspection, whereas other vehicles, say like a 981, 991, don't necessarily need that. So we'd offer a slightly different inspection and just try and offer a bespoke inspection for whatever vehicle it is that comes in here. Like I say, we know what cars need extra checks in certain areas and what don't. So yeah, we cater to that really. Just treating the car with respect, do your research, treat it with respect, and don't let a service overrun. Just keep the maintenance up together. The GT3 that's here, that's a customer's car, also a long-term friend of mine. We've done a track wheel alignment setup on it for him. We've done an oil change on it for him. And yeah, just look after that for him. All 3 of us are all ex-Porsche main dealer. I think that holds a lot of credibility for us. We've got, again, a real passion for what we do. We love the cars, we love talking to the people because they have a passion for the car. They want people that are passionate working on their car. I think that's a key thing that's getting lost in the OPC network. We will cater for any Porsche that we can, and we'll always try and do our best. And we're here for you if you need us.